What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics? Frank here. Today I wanted to talk about an email that we received from a customer asking us how hard is it to automate linear friction welding. My comment back to that, it's not any harder to automate linear friction welding than it is to do the other processes that we automate all the time here at Taylor-Winfield. Those processes revolve around resistance welding, arc welding, which includes MIG, TIG, laser, plasma. We also do induction heating systems, which we automate. Some involve robots, some involve dial tables with pick and place units. We are a partner with Yaskawa robots, Fanuc robots, and also Kawasaki robots. We've also done a variety of other robot systems for customers. We're a very flexible company as far as PLCs, as far as robots go. We have a great group of people that are good at automation, and not only that, safe automation, which is very important today in the workplace. So a robot loading and unloading a linear friction welder, not a problem. Taking it to a machining center, letting it machine the flash off of it, and then maybe taking it to a post-weld heat treatment process that we do with induction systems. So very easy to do, and good question. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to automate a linear friction welder for that customer. So once again, stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.